channel. I'm Kimmy, and in today's video I've got the new supplement catalogue to go through with you, but there's something different about this one. It's actually going to go for 3 months. They've changed them now to go for 3 months. Alright, so let's start going through all the goodness that's in this one. Alright, so you've got your maker page, your VIP page, craft with heart. Move it over a little bit. There we go. Okay, this is the first collection. It's called Beach Party. Okay, and there's your paper pack, your sticker sheet, and all your other goodness that you get in your catalogue. Okay, and these are your card making and scrapbooking stamp sets. This is your scrapbooking workshop kit and the card making kit. See, all very beachy. And this is the second collection. It's called Backyard Bliss. So there's the papers there. Okay, and you've got card making and scrapbooking. I really like this. It's very sweet. I like it. See the artwork there. Using that one. Your scrapbooking workshop. And your card making workshop. And the final, so because it's going for 3 months, we've actually got 3 paper collections in here. So this is the other one, Crisp Air. So it's very autumn related. Now, because obviously this is an American company, so they will be in their autumn in September, where we'll be in spring, because I'm in Australia. So yeah. Alright, so there's those nice autumn colours. Card making stamp set, scrapbooking stamp set, scrapbooking workshop kit, card making workshop kit. Okay, now this is your mix-in paper. So these papers here will mix in with all of those paper collections that I've just shown you. I quite like these, or they work on their own as well. You don't have to mix them in with there, but they do work with them as well. Okay, now we're moving on to stamp sets. So the My Acrylics stamp sets. And we have On the Farm, so nice little farm animals. Beep, boop, beep, beep, boop stamp set. So robots, in other words. So some nice artwork using them. And we have a Totally Awesome with a frog and Party Fox. If you're into foxes, it's very cute. This one's cute. There's some artwork using them. And we have That's the Tea. And these are all individual stamp sets, so you buy them individually. So you've got, so they're not very, they're quite, they fit on a 2x2 block, so they're roughly about that big, I guess. So hang on, I'll show you. So, well, that's the size of a 2x2 block, so it fits on there. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how big they are. And see you at the finish line. Nice ones for sporting people. And at the park. So all those people that spend all those times at the park with their children. Some nice artwork. I could probably use that in some of my layouts, because I spent a lot of time at the park when my kids were younger. And moments that matter. So you've got nice little things. These are good for, these titles are good for scrapbooking. See, this is Life, Everyday Adventure. Nice ones for scrapbooking. Barbecue Boss, if you're into barbecuing. Then we've got Ahoy there stamp. So nice people who like boats. And this one, Riding in the Sand. So this is a whole stamp. So if you have a look at that artwork there, it shows that it kind of looks like the beach. So when you stamp it, you'll look like the beach. And then we've got these two. So this one at the top here is Adventure Badges, and this one's S'mores Adventures. This is the one that I'm probably going to get, because I'll use it quite a lot because my son does scouting. So it'll be a nice, good little one. I like the little deck chair. It's cute. Alright, and then some artwork using it. And Autumn Vibes is this one up the top here, and a sunflower. So you could build your sunflower. See here, this is in a different colour, and then you build it up. And then here, again, done on some paper, and they've built up with the leaves behind it. And Language of Flowers, so this is slimline. There's a technique here that says another technique for highlighting stamp sentiments is applying ink from a stamp pad using a sponge or a dauber. So you'd sponge behind your sentiment to make it stand out a little bit more. And over here we have simple leaves. So you can build up your. So it's got each leaf stamp shown below coordinates with 2 thin cuts. So one for the base and another for the top layer. So you've got a thin cut for the veins parts of your leaves, and you've got your thin cut for the outside bit, and then you would stamp on the inside with whatever colour you wanted, or you just do it on coloured paper as well, and then you wouldn't have to stamp it necessarily. Moving on, we have this one is a pumpkin thin cut, and you've got your maple leaf and the words grateful and thankful. And we've got autumn foglish backgrounds and some borders that you can use. So if there's a background there they've used the border, and here's some thin cuts there. Pretty cool. And okay, so now we're moving on to the 3 stamps of the month. So this one is for July. This one is called Voice of the Sea. So you've got some more beachy themed animals and lots of little stamps that you can use. See, so they've used the little stamps behind this one here, if you can see it, just on tone. And here is Teach, Love, Inspire. I'll probably get this one because my kids are still at school, so it's good for making little thank you cards for your teachers, or you can use them on scrapbook pages. So that could be used on a scrapbook page and glasses and books. And this is September's stamp of the month, which is Enjoy These Moments. Again, it's sort of autumn based. It's not necessarily, obviously our autumns, we've just had our autumn in Australia, we're in winter now, but you could hold on to this and use it when autumn comes up, or, anytime really. I mean, these little leaves are really cute because you could make a border yourself out of those. You could just stamp them along, make a border out of those. All right, and we've got the very last page is the Big Smiles Operation Smile stamp set. Just as a reminder, anyone that purchases this, $7 of the proceeds go to help Operation Smile, and it's a non-profit organisation that provides surgeries to repair cleft palates for children around the world. So yeah, so $7 if you purchase that, $7 of it goes to help Operation Smile. Okay, so that's that flip through. I just wanted to show you quickly a little sneak peek of the front cover of the new core catalogue. I will be doing a flip through of that one, but that one doesn't go live till August, but we're allowed to show you the front cover. Alright, so I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you enjoyed looking through this catalogue. If you've got any questions, pop a comment down below, or send me a message. It's all good. Alright, don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Okay, bye.